Hey kiddos, today we'll play with 4 animal families. Elephants, cats, giraffes, and foxes. They are all so cute. Oh no, what's happened? Where did the animals go? No worries, we'll put them together again. Are you ready? Let's start with this family. It must be this one. Perfect fit. Let's find the next piece. Here's the one we need. Well, was I right? Yes! Let's keep going. This is the one. Can you spot this piece? Found it. Let's put it in its place. Now, the trunk. This piece looks just right. Yes! Now let's complete this smaller animal. Aha! Just what we need. This is the head. The next piece is… Do you see it? Here it is. And we need one more. Here it is. We did it! A little one is left. Is it this one? Nah, it doesn't fit. Found it! Yippee! It's a family of elephants! Elephants are friendly animals, living in big families called herds. They're the largest land animals. Elephants use their trunks to breathe, drink, smell, and even pick up small objects. Elephants' tusks are actually their teeth. Let's put together the next animal family. Let's see. Aha! The head! I think it's the one we need. What's next? Can you see the right piece? Let's go with this one. Where is the next one? Let's see. Oh, it was here all the time. Now we need this big head. Here we go! Next, the body. Is this the right piece? Yes, it is. Next. Found it. And the third animal. Here's the head. Now we need the body. That's the one. And the last piece. Here it is. Yay, finished! These are giraffes, the tallest land animals. Each giraffe has its own pattern of spots, unique like our fingerprints. Look, they almost do the splits to drink water. Giraffes' tongues aren't pink, they're dark blue and very long. Let's put together the next family. Here's the first piece. Let's find the next one. Aha, gotcha. How about this piece? Let's see. I think it's this one. It doesn't fit. Okay, let's try something different. How about this one? Yes, great! Let's put together this bigger animal. I think this is the piece we need. Bingo! Next one. Let's see. What if I try this one again? It fits! And this one? Found it! That was fast. Now we need to find the head. I think it's the piece we need. Wrong. Do you see the right head, kids? Aha! I bet this one is right. Yay! We have one more animal. This head might fit then. Woohoo! Let's find the body. Maybe this piece? Perfect. Now, the tail. Where is it? Gotcha! Here's the tail! We did it! These are foxes. They can be very fast. Foxes live together in big families. These animals have pointed ears that help them hear sounds from far away. Foxes use 28 different kinds of calls to speak to each other. Let's move on to this family. I think this is the head that'll fit. Told ya! Now the body. Must be this one. Let's see. Yep. What's next? I think we need this piece. Woohoo! Now the tail! Here it is. We gotta find another head. Aha! Here it is. Let's find the body now. That was easy. Look for a little white tail. Ah, here it is. We have an empty space. And we have this little guy here. Is it the fit? Great, a family of cats. They love to play with toys and sleep. Can sleep for up to 20 hours a day. They can also jump very high and make great pet friends. Good job, kids! We've put together all the animal families. Strong elephants, tall giraffes, cunning foxes, and fluffy cats. I hope you like learning about animals together. Give this video a like and see you soon.